Welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I told you to clean that floor properly.
Yes, ma'am.
And pick up those groceries now. What are you waiting for?
I'm on my way.
Don't be late. This is important. Ma'am? About my salary.
You absolute fool! You'll get nothing from me! Leave now! I can't breathe. Please help me.
You look exhausted, Ali. Maybe you should take a break.
You are not listening. He needs better care now. Madam, we are doing everything we can. Please calm down.
Ali, can you hear me?
I'm so sorry, Zara. Ali is gone. No, it can't be.
I'm so sorry, Zara.
I can't forgive myself, Ali, please.
It's not your fault.